In this video today, I'm going to practically show you how to make money with the Poppo app. And not only that, different ways you can make money. I'll also practically show you how to understand and navigate the app itself in general. All right, so as you can see right here, this is my number of following, my followers and all that. This is how many coins I've accumulated. Remember, today is my day 2 on this app. So right here, I want to introduce the app for you. Here is your message where you will see inbox. Here is where it will take you to your home. Right here is where you will join party. Right here is when you will go live, or you want to see people that are live. When you click it, then you click here to go live and all that. So I'm going back to my home. That's the app. Secondly, here is level where you can upgrade. Meanwhile, on this app, mostly people are being respected based on their levels. I have not upgraded yet, even though I have a lot of coins right now, but I've not upgraded yet. The reason is because I want to withdraw the coins and show you people evidence first before, if I want to rank, then I'll add my or increase my level. That is the next thing. So if you come right here, you will see your settings. There is about the app. So when you click on the settings, here it will show you your privacy setting, your language and all those things. If you want to see your agency, the person that add you up, the name, you see it right here. So like my own now is the love, right? So I will go out. So how then do you earn? The moment you have signed up, you have login, you have verified, we have added you as an agency. And if you are new, if this is the first time you are watching this video, I'm going to link in the description of this video, if you are watching it on YouTube, the link to the first video where it will show you how to sign up and verify and all that. And if you are on Telegram, this is video 2. Above the pin post, you will see the video 1. All right, that being said, so how do you make money? The moment you have signed up and verify, the first thing you need to do is to come and perform tasks. So there are different tasks you'll be performing on this app that you'll be getting paid in coins, and you can withdraw it in Naira, in USD, right here in Nigeria or any country you are in currently. So you come here to check your tax, okay, to know what you are to do. So like right here, my own tax now is for me to join the party for 1 hour and sit in a crown seat. So you can click here to say go, but meanwhile I want to come back to show you what that means. What this means is that, so here I'll come to this party, okay, and see people that are hosting parties. So right here, as you can see, Kudi Dynasty is hosting a party. So if I click on it, you should also know that crown seat is seat 1, 2, 3, 4. If you are in any other of this seat, is not crown seat. That is why it's very important you have an agency, because like here now, if you come, if you are not part of the agency, they wouldn't want to bring you up because they know that you are going to perform a task. So try as much as you can to join an agency and know who is your agency. That's why I show you how to know agency. So let me go back right here. So, but in your own case now, if you click on reward, you will not see perform tasks, join a live party. Your first task is going to be go live for 1 hour. So the moment you go live for 1 hour, stay there for 1 hour, go live, stay there for 1 hour, and then you come back to claim your reward. And how do you go live? You see this live right here, you click on it. So when you click on it, you are going to click on live right here. So when you tap on it, it's going to bring you up. So as you can see me, I'm here. Guys, that's why it's always good to do something you're passionate about. This is 1 a.m. that I'm doing this. So once you have done that, you are going to, I'm looking for my mouse. Oh, so once you have done that, you are going to click right here to go live. Make sure you accept video call invitation, and I have read the terms and conditions. Then you go live for 1 hour. So the moment you go live and you are done, let me exit, you are done, you come back to see your live center. So I will click right here. I know this is simple, please don't say it is delegate. Okay, so just take your time. This is my day 2, remember. So you come here. When you come to your reward, okay, when you click on it, you are going to see receive. Okay, you are going to see receive. So you are going to click on receive. So my own right now, I don't have anyone to receive, but you will see your own. It will say received. So you tap on it to receive. Okay, just as shown in this picture right here. Okay, so once you have received, that means you'll be seeing your earning accumulating. Meanwhile, if you are not following me, please give me a follow. It's important. Okay, like I can't follow myself now, but you see follow around here. I will screenshot and show you as seen in this picture. That is how to follow. So that means you have gone live. The next thing you do, you come back again and click on reward. When you click on reward, you are going to see another task that you need to perform. If it is join a party for 1 hour and sit in a crown and all that, which I have shown you. The next thing is, that's why this app is very good for ladies. Mostly you just see a call. Sometimes you just see somebody is calling you. Just click on accept. When you click to accept call, you earn. Okay, for answering call, you earn. Okay, and as you join party, another way you make money is as you join party, people will be gifting you, because for you to go to the next level, you need to gift. So some people can go as much as gifting you 50,000 coin. I've seen one person 50,000 coin, 20,000 coin, 3,000 coin. This app, they gift a lot. People are not stingy at all in this app. Another way you can also make money is by inviting people. So you can click invite right here. When you click on invite, as you can see, so like me now, today I've received up to 30,000 coin from the people I invite that have performed tasks. So it's one thing for you to invite people, is another thing for you to make sure that they are performing their tasks. So that's why you see I'm dedicating this time to teaching people. Aside from teaching people from my heart, I also earn for referring people that sign up and they are doing stuff. So when you I'll click on invite now, you see share. So I'll click on copy right here and copy. So this is the link that you'll be giving people. I'm just going out. That you'll be giving people to sign up. Okay, this video is already becoming lengthy, but I'm just trying so that you can please rewatch this video again and again to understand. Another way you can still make money is by playing game. This is another way a lot of people make money on this app. So let me show you something. Let's say I just want to come and join this live stream right here, or I want to join my agency. So let me just click on this message right here. I'll just go to her, or you can just go through the agency and check if your agency is live. Like right here, as you can see, my agency is holding a live party. So as I click here to come, have you seen right here? All these ones are games that you can play, but I've not played any game, so I can't teach you how to play game. But believe you me, if you click on it, you are going to see and you are going to earn as you play the game. Another way people still make money is by gamble. Yes, so some people do that, but I don't do that. I don't understand how that one work yet. So if you know me, I always teach based on experience. So that is how you'll be earning. So how much have you make, how do we withdraw it and all that? In the next video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw, but you should also know that you cannot withdraw until you have up to $10. So right here now, today is my day 2, and already I have $4.84. So I'm hoping that in my day 4, I should be able to withdraw $10, where I will practically create another video for you showing you how to withdraw. Okay, there's a lot of things, see fan club, guidance, and so many other things you can actually do. Myself, I'm still learning. Okay, I'm still learning. So I hope you find this video helpful. My children are asleep. This is 1:13 a.m. Nigerian time. So thank you so much. Please, if you have not liked this video, kindly give it a like. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. And then if you have any question, ask in the Telegram group. Okay, so hope to see you in my next video. Bye.